Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer a Canva design to another team by sharing access to your project. First, open Canva and make sure you're logged into your account. On the left-hand menu, click on Projects. This will take you to all your designs and folders. Find the project you want to share. Hover over it, and you'll see three dots in the top right corner of the thumbnail. Click on those dots. From the menu that appears, choose Share. A new window will open where you can add people or teams. In the field that says Add People, Groups, or Teams, type the email address of the person or team you want to share the design with. Choose the level of access. You can allow them to view or edit the design. If you want to make sharing even easier, look for the option that says Anyone with the link. Then click Copy Link. Now, just send that link to the other team using email, chat, or any other method you prefer. That's it. They'll be able to open the design and access it based on the settings you chose. If you ever need to stop sharing, just return to the same Share menu and change or remove access. This method is fast, easy, and gives you control over who can work on your designs. Thanks for watching.